Greetings, my name is Dale. I would like to teach you demystifying identity and access management on this video under PAC Publishing. I began my career as a professor to some universities and colleges in the Philippines. I took my Bachelor of Science in Electronic Communications Engineering in Mapua and took my Master's in Computer Science, major in Software Development in Mapua as well. And then I have a strong experience in terms of database. I handled SQL Server, Oracle, DynamoDB in terms of AWS. And then I also have Bootstrap. I've been doing AWS since 2014. And then I do also Salesforce. I also have background also since 2015 for Azure. I do also business intelligence as well in Tableau and Power BI. I also have deep learning in machine learning since 2016 and do Python for 3 years. On this short video, I will give you an overview of things you will learn on a fast-paced and exciting course of identity and access management. Okay, let's start. So an overview is AWS Identity and Access Management is a web service that enables AWS customers to manage access and permission in AWS. With IAM, it will serve as a one-stop shop service of AWS for managing access and permission. If you are a developer, analyst, or solution architect that wants to know and look for a solution that needs to understand identity and access management services, this is the course for you. So the key feature here is that you're going to understand the concept of AWS IAM, and I will give you a complete overview of how to create, manage, and implement user admin, group permissions, and policy as well using console and CLI. Delegate access to billing console and AWS account using roles. Creating, configuring, and implementing customer managed policy with MFA configuration. Also, familiarization of AWS IAM environment. And then we also tackle the troubleshooting IAM common issues here. And then we're gonna also have best practices and integrating IAM with other Amazon Web Services. This course is divided into 7 sections. In section 1, overview of AWS IAM, this section will include the overview of the concept of AWS IAM. In section 2, managing IAM users, group, and credentials, this section covers how to manage IAM users, group, and credentials. In section 3, access management, these sections cover IAM access management. In section 4, troubleshooting IAM, this section covers how to troubleshoot IAM effectively. In section 5, AWS compute services, storage services, database services that works with IAM. So this section covers the AWS compute services, storage services, database services that works with IAM. And I will demonstrate how to implement IAM with those services in an actual use case scenario. In section 6, developer tool services, security, identity, and compliance services, also with machine learning services that works with IAM. This section covers the developer tool services, security, identity, and compliance services, machine learning services that works with IAM, and demonstrate how to implement IAM with those services in an actual use case scenario. In section 7 covers hands-on experience on how to implement IAM with networking services, business services, analytic services, and IoT in an actual use case scenario. Now, before you take this course, we need prerequisites like an existing AWS account. You need to have basic networking because it involves networking setup and configuration. And last but not the least, basic JSON concept. It's because we're going to tackle a lot of scripting in terms of JSON and SQL as well. This is my sincere hope that you will take this course today and be enlightened how easy it is to understand demystified IAM for analysts, developers, and business professionals.